Here's my MacGyver of the day. Your crappy Zippo always breaking down, or you lose your wick. There. Let's try a pipe cleaner. 'Cause, I burned up. Eureka! It fits. Went through very focusy. There you have it. The tedious packing procedure is like a zigzag shape with layers of cotton. Just let me proceed. When it comes to filling your Zippo, I always say the more the merrier. Fill it like your drunk uncle on 4th of July. All right. Let's see if it works. Icy moisture on the wick, maybe that's a good sign. Of course I was slopping it rather. Let's let it dry a second before we strike so we don't have to do a David Copperfield finish. Let's trim this wick a bit. It's not the Statue of Liberty. I need 2 hands. Carbide would notice I installed it backwards. Oops. We've given it sufficient time to dry off so that only 2nd-degree burns will occur. Let's see. I'm excited. It works. Check that out. Check it out. MacGyver tip of the day. Afterthought. What if I slopped fluid onto the wick and that's what was burning? Let's leave it off for a while, the top, and see if it continues to replenish itself with nourishing Zippo Premium lighter fluid. Let me do that again. And now we have allowed what I think is sufficient time for evaporation to occur. About 5 minutes, because I'm hungry, and I even blew on it. Let's see. Oh, well, I think so. I think that wick is nice and moist. So there you have it. Because you run out to buy your wicks and then you lose them when you need them. And you know this. MacGyver tip 2 of the day. All right, let's get serious about this. For those who have heard that it's impossible to get a pipe cleaner to work as a Zippo wick, no, it is possible. These are raw brand pipe cleaners. Sorry, I lost the label. I'm sure they're cotton. What's unique about them? I don't know. But anyway, there they are. Here's the lighter from the previous video, which I did about 4 days ago. And I was so happy with the success, I swapped out the Zippo for another pipe cleaner wick, just because I was tired of Zippo wicks bending and the wire getting wrapped around the thumb wheel from their flimsy little wires. So this one's to show you how it's been. This has been a heavy usage. I smoke it. 4 days, and there's the state of the burntness. No more so, I would say, than the state of a burntness. I ran out of fuel on that, so I've done a regular one. Now this is 4 days old. You tell me it doesn't work. That's my follow-up. Enjoy.